Across industries like manufacturing, logistics, and warehousing, the demand for automation and digitization is accelerating. Connected machines, smart sensors, and automation-driven operations all rely on high-performance networks that deliver low latency, peak reliability, and optimized uptime. But many private networks weren't built for these mission-critical demands. Legacy systems such as Wi-Fi struggle with limited capacity, unpredictable coverage, and deployment constraints. Even newer private LTE and 5G setups can fall short, especially in remote, dense, or high-interference environments. That's where XCOM RAN comes in. XCOM RAN is a next-generation software-defined radio access network built specifically for private wireless. It delivers carrier-grade performance in a flexible, scalable architecture, adaptable to on-premise or off-premise deployment, indoors or outdoors. Edge-based and highly integratable, XCOM RAN is engineered to keep operations online, efficient, and secure. Let's take a look at one such application. Retail and order fulfillment has experienced a revolution in technology. Advancements from utilizing Universal Product Codes, UPCs, to now employing autonomous mobile robots, or AMRs, and autonomous forklifts and fulfillment centers. With the right tools in place, most orders can be packed in 12 minutes, saving valuable time and improving accuracy. And yet, even with these advancements come challenges. The AMRs run on small cell private networks. However, interference and handover challenges occur between cells. This decreased performance can lead to overall slowdown and even disruption in AMR connections, resulting in an employee having to locate the disconnected robot on the warehouse floor and physically reset it so the battery will not dissipate due to lack of movement. With XCOM RAN, automated assets and your operations keep moving seamlessly with no network constraints. From smart factories to rugged edge environments, XCOM RAN is redefining what private wireless can do. Discover the platform built for your mission-critical work. Discover XCOM RAN by Globalstar.